Are you anything like me, tired of these long, drawn out, cold winter nights and long for even a taste of summer? Maybe it's that old tune that ice cream man plays as he drives up and down the street, or the first crackle of the bat as the Braves take center field. For me, summer reminds me of those old southern days I spent in Mississippi. I can still smell it now. The sweet southern breeze and the taste of ice cold lemonade. You're probably wondering, what does the weather have to do with lemonade or even a recipe? Hi, I'm Kayla Colbert, co-owner of Kimmy K's Cake, and today I'm here to share with you my favorite recipe, one of America's favorite recipes, ice cold lemonade. I call this lemonade with a twist. The first step in making a great cup or great pitcher of lemonade is simply adding lemons. Step 1. You take water, you pour it into a glass or pitcher. You then extract the lemons into the cup by simply giving it a squeeze. Be careful, you don't want to get any seeds into your mixture. After you add and combine lemon and the water, you then take a teaspoon of lemon juice. By adding lemon juice, you are giving it an extra twist of that tasty citrus flavor. Give it a slight stir before adding sugar. Once your mixture looks cloudy, you know it's time to add the most important ingredient, sugar. The measurements for sugar depends on you particularly. You can either add a little or you can add a lot. Now, me being a southern girl, I like to add a lot of love. After a while, give it a slight stir. You should see it dissolving. And if you're anything like me, give it a taste too. Now that's good. Now here comes the fun part. The twist. For me, I chose the beverage of mandarin orange. Another twist is it's actually water. So you're giving it a taste and it's quite healthy for you. Before we give it a twist or give it an actual twist, we start by mixing it. You take your mixture that's already in the glass or pitcher and add it into a smaller container. You then pour the mixture of the sparkling beverage or the beverage of your choice about halfway. You only want to give it a slight stir because if your beverage is sparkling, you don't want it to be flat. Perfect. You then pour it into the glass. Now here comes the fun part, the ice cold. Who wants a hot lemonade? You gotta have the ice cold. Take so by taking your ice cube and placing it right into the glass. And if you're feeling really fancy, always add you a little garnish. These are your 5 steps on how to make lemonade with a twist. I hope you enjoyed.